thicker, which I've been hearing. Tell me if I'm wrong, chat, but someone was telling me that if it's straight from Mexico, it's a different color, and if it's like USC, like they're almost saying, like, I don't know if it's made stateside. I thought it was made all in Mex, but someone was telling me something like, yeah, girl, it's different. If you get it in California, I mean, if you get it in the US, it's going to be this color. Or if you get it in Mex, it's this color. I'm thinking, like, why should it matter? Isn't it all manufactured in Mex? But maybe not. Yeah, this was all laundry, babe. We just finished up. I'm sold out of laundry. But we have cans that are ready to go. Oh, my God. And only $20 to sell us out of cans. But yes, this was beautiful. It was all laundry. The best ever. That's why it's so frothy. Ugh. Laundry's that girl. Thank you guys for your patience. I do have to get this all out. But hopefully this is giving someone time to decide what they would like to put in for the next combo. Squeeze these out so I can get everything out of here. Yeah, I am ready to start a paste for my paste heads. Let's get it going. Just gonna clean our sink and then I'll wait a second to see if we get anybody ready to get some cans up in here. But yeah, this was all laundry. And it was like the best. Bro, the save process. I actually have like a bunch of laundry to do, so this works out. I need to shampoo my couch because that beautiful little puppy you guys saw. Love my little Milo Maximus, but I swear he's been having little tinkles on my couch. So now I have to steam clean it and what's it called? Blanking out right now on that machine I have to use on it. Aw, thank you, Julia. I will say, you know, Clean Talk has like a beautiful community, but if you go certain places, and some people like it that way, get your issue. Some people like the drama. Sometimes it gets a little dramatic. People just be arguing in the chat. That will never be on my page. I will have 2 people watching me before, thank you, before we have drama in here. We're not going to do that. I feel like all of us have hard enough lives. Some people like it though, and no shade. Like some people enjoy that. They were raised maybe in an environment that was kind of tumultuous and that makes them comfortable. Drama and like that kind of energy. But not here. We have very chill. I do not listen to K-pop. My daughter does. My daughter does. But I would take music requests once in a blue moon. Not a lot because my focus is here and I don't want to be running back and forth. But what I would definitely be open to is like a day where if we got a lot like any requests for thank you for certain kind of music. Yep, we can theme it up. I'm open. Yeah, well, welcome, Rachel. It's nice to have you. Yeah, my daughter is a K-pop stan. Like hardcore. She loves it. And so I've heard of it. Because how can you not when you're any other parents of tweens now? Or even like young 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old girls. Thank you. Sometimes I feel bad shooting the save. Aw, that's cool. Love that. Love that energy. And sometimes I feel bad doing the saves on live because I'm like, it's gotta be boring. But if it works for you guys, shit. It makes me even happier. Yeah? For me, it's the rinse. But I love it. I love that you guys like to save. That makes me feel more comfortable. So thank you. I appreciate that, you guys. Because I'd be sometimes like rushing and feeling bad. Don't get me wrong, I'll keep moving quick. But I'd be like, oh my god, I'm sorry. Should I pause it? I've asked friends and family, like, do you think I should like go off during the save? Come back after? I did not know you guys were into it. Oops. Yeah, this was all laundry and every bit of this will be saved. It was the most beautiful combo. There's watermelon fab in here. Psh, OG and lemon. And I think a floral vanilla and stuff. Like playing with me. Let's go. It's like all the best things. A liquid Foca. Chat. This was probably my most luxurious like combo on live to date. They've all been kind of, if the others would be considered ratchet, this was luxurious. Oh, by the way, yep, I don't know if anybody noticed the name change. I did change my handle name. I wanted to get my actual name off there. So those of you who have been around the new Just Clean Something, it's cool. I'm not like, you can't know my name. I'm like, if I'm going to keep growing this thing, I should probably be a little bit more anonymous. So we did change the name. And I don't know why, but some people, when I would be on lives chopping it up with people, they acted like they could not recognize that my name was Jess. It was confusing, the Just Clean Something. People were like, Jessica. I was like, after the last person stumbled on my name, I was like, we're changing it. We're changing it. I don't want to confuse people anymore. There's something simpler. Okay, you guys made it to the end of the save. You're the goats. We did it. It was a beautiful, beautiful save. All right, chat, what are we doing? Yep, let's get this next combo going. I really feel it. I feel it in the air, you guys. I feel like we should sell these cans. Like, I feel like we should squeeze with these cans. They are feeling left out. Laundry took all the shine today. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Pop, that's another one of those ones I really need to get. I'm dying. I need to figure out where near me. So if anybody knows where in California we should be going for Pop, please tell me. I am Cali-based, but I need me some Pop. They're bad. I need Murphy's, Lust Oil. Those are things that are coming soon, chat. And Pop. The foam dissipates. It does. It really... Wow, that was great, y'all. Caught that. The foam... I was trying to read the thing at the same time. Yeah, the foam dissipates. It does. And normally when I do saves... I hope we're talking about saves. We're talking about the same thing. When I do saves, it'll be foamy at the top, but it will settle. And I wish I had another one to show you right now. We'd be getting some beautiful stuff. Some beautiful saves. Truly.